It's time to test the bike and see if it runs more than 10 minutes, so let's hope, fingers crossed. So, no more driving for me. The bike died after about 10 minutes and refused to start back up again. Same problem as before, so my cleaning project did not help. So, unfortunately, I have to give up for this season and rebuild the bike properly, so hopefully in the spring I can ride again. My son is, on the other hand, happily training in the background. He is practicing starts today. We are going to the practice ground tomorrow with the other youngsters, so he wants to have a little bit training in advance.